Are you still spending hours on Excel doing things manually? Imagine if you could automate tasks, analyze data faster, and even master VBA to take your productivity to the next level, all with just one course, for only $5. Hey, this is Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. Today, I'm reviewing the Excel Mastery course, a step-by-step training that promises to take you from beginner to expert, saving you time and making you an Excel pro. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. What is the Excel Mastery course? So, what do you actually get? This course is packed with practical, real-world Excel training, covering basic to advanced Excel skills, master formulas like sum, VLOOKUP, and index-match data analysis and visualization. Create charts, pivot tables, and interactive dashboards. Data automation with macros and VBA. Save hours by automating reports. Importing and cleaning data. Work smarter with large datasets bonuses. Free Excel templates, ebooks, and lifetime access. The best part? No prior experience needed. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business professional, this course is designed to make Excel work for you. How it works. Quick breakdown. Getting started is simple. Step 1. Enroll in the course, link below. Step 2. Watch the step-by-step tutorials and practice with real-world projects. Step 3. Apply your skills and boost your efficiency in Excel. Everything is beginner-friendly, so you can go at your own pace. My honest review. Pros and cons. Now, let's talk about my honest review after going through the course. What I loved. Super beginner-friendly, no confusing jargon, just easy step-by-step lessons. Hands-on approach, real-world projects, not just theory. Lifetime access. Learn at your own pace with no extra fees. Only $5. Most Excel courses charge $100 plus, but this is an insane deal. What could be better? No live coaching. It's all pre-recorded, so you won't get one-on-one support. Limited advanced Excel functions. While it covers VBA and macros, true experts might need more in-depth training. Overall, for the price, this is hands down the best Excel deal I've seen. Who is this course for? This course is perfect for office workers and professionals. Automate reports and impress your boss, data analysts and finance experts. Master data visualization and pivot tables, students and job seekers. Boost your resume with real Excel skills. Freelancers and entrepreneurs. Work smarter and save time. Even if you've never used Excel before, this course makes learning easy. Final verdict. Is it worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly way to master Excel and boost your career, this course is a no-brainer. For just $5, you're getting lifetime access to high-quality Excel training, templates, and real-world projects. That's less than a cup of coffee. Special offer. Get the full course for just $5. No monthly fees, lifetime access, instant download plus bonuses. Click the link below to grab this limited time deal before the price goes up. Don't waste another minute struggling with Excel. Take control of your data and career now. What do you think? Will you be grabbing this Excel course? Drop a comment below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss more money-saving deals and honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one.